Today is day 17 of 90 days challenge of learning with Blue Ocean Compliance. Yes, today is day 17 and I hope that you might have gone through the previous day's learnings and must have taken the action on your manufacturing side. Please do not take it lightly, as whatever we are discussing in these 90 days learning challenge the serious and critical violations done by the pharmaceutical companies and which cause them getting the warning letter from USFDA. And don't think that it is only for the USFDA or US market. These non-compliances are violation of regulations and guidelines, and those basic concepts are equally applicable for other markets also. Yes, even if you are working in the Europe or UK or other markets, right? But basics are the same for each and every market, right? And patient of any country, whether it is of domestic ROW or US market, the life of the patient is valuable for his or her family, okay? And even if you will think by commercial point of view or business point of view, these non-compliances some or the other day is going to cause the company getting loss in the business. Yes, loss in the business. So watch these recordings seriously and implement these learnings on your manufacturing side, or even if you are a founder, business owner, or working in pharmaceutical industry at any level. Even if you are starting your career in the pharmaceutical industry and you are fresher also. So these knowledge and principles are equally important for each and every level of pharmaceutical industry. So in this 90 days challenge, we have started the series of data integrity. In this series, we will be discussing few of the principles of the data integrity. In our previous day session, day 16, we discussed about the ALCOA, ALCOA Plus and ALCOA Plus Plus principle. And today we are discussing some other concepts of data integrity. And in this series of data integrity, we will be discussing different angles of the data integrity and data integrity guidelines also. So today we will be discussing the importance of the data integrity and violation of the 21 CFR 211.68, which is for automatic equipment, instruments for machines, which may be of the computer system or which may be any systems that are involved in the manufacturing, processing and processing of your product, right? It is process related or analysis related or any thing related to CGMP computer system or purpose of manufacturing the product, processing, packing of the instruments. Okay, so let's come on this journey. Okay, so the 21 CFR 211.68 talks about the computer systems, automatic machines or equipments which are related to manufacturing, processing, packing of the product. Okay, so the few of the observations of violation of this guideline or this section of 21 CFR 211.210 is that whatever manufacturing companies were there, companies got the warning letter. They got the warning letter because their standalone systems were in the standalone systems, the computer systems were not in control, means the audit trail was off, and whenever the auditor has audited their system, a lot of data, calibration report, analytical report, analysis report, integration reports, they found that the deleted data was there available in the systems. Okay, so we know that deletion of the data in any CGMP system is serious violation and it is definitely going to cause you the warning letters. So So deletion of the data was there, audit trail was not on, and shared login were used, and same password was shared among the group of people, and with same login different people were working in the system. Now let me share with you that while the crime is equally in pharmaceutical industry or in normal or daily life. Okay, so in the pharmaceutical industry, the person who is responsible for the violation, serious violation, and which caused the people getting loss of life or serious adverse drug reactions happens due to non-compliances are equally critical like the other crime in our daily life. So the violation of systems were caused getting the warning letter to the pharmaceutical industry. Many warning letters are issued for the violation of these guidelines or this section of guideline. Okay, so make sure that in your company there should be separate login for each and every person, and audit trail should not be kept off, and deletion of the data should not be there. Okay, there are a lot of learnings related to part 11 compliances are there, and you search the video on my YouTube channel and watch that video also, that I specifically recorded for the 21 CFR part 11 compliances, right? And we will learn in detail later, but for today in 90 days challenge, these learnings comprises of the more than 5, and that also serious and critical non-compliances, and learning from those non-compliances which will help you to get success in your audit. Let me share with you that whenever you have data integrity on your side, then it is the open invitation for the getting the warning letter and loss in the business. So make sure that on your manufacturing site or in your organization, wherever you are working, data integrity should not be there. Okay, so these were today's learning, and I will come with so many learning for you in my upcoming sessions and 90 days learning challenge. And believe me, after 90 days challenge and during these 90 days challenge, I am going to announce wonderful things, and with that we will be connected forever, and we will keep our journey of learning, and which will help you to grow drastically, means which will help you to grow magically in your career.